Alright, hello everyone. It is now time for basement fire alarm test 46. So, I've decided that since we're getting very close to 50 basement fire alarm tests, I would do 5 basement tests in a row of simplex themed systems throughout the years. So you will see some repeated setups that I've done in previous basement fire alarm tests, but I want to do all simplex between tests 46 and 50. So with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at the simplex system I have set up for today. In the pull station spot, you can see I've put up my simplex 2099, 9798 chevron style pull station with the New York stripe. This particular chevron is actually in very, very good condition. It was pretty much new when I got it. It was like new open box. It didn't come with the box, but I'm pretty sure it's never been installed before. And something about these chevrons is that when you see these, you would think they would be pretty big, right? But they're actually a lot smaller than you would expect. In fact, they are the exact same height and width as any other simplex pull station, but it's obviously a lot more shallow, so it's pretty small actually. But there it is. So let's go look at our horn strobe. And as you can see, the horn strobe combination I picked today is my simplex 2901-9838 on the 4903-9101 strobe plate. It's a very common older simplex device. The horn is on march time, and the strobe is wired separately, so it will do audible silence like I usually have it. So, not too much to say about that, so we'll go ahead and pull the fire alarm. So, without further ado, here we go. You can see the strobe is still flashing right up there, as I said it would. Alright, let's go ahead and reset this pull station. So to do that, you just take a little hex key. It's 3/32 of an inch. It just goes in, and you can turn it and open it. And there it is. We can go ahead and take a look on the inside. There's the label in there, 2099, 9798. These simplex chevrons aren't super common, especially with the New York stripe. So it's a pretty unique device. So to finish resetting it, you just close it and put it back like that. And for a bonus, I'll go ahead and yeah, we'll do it this way. We'll demonstrate a key activation real quick. So you just put it in, turn it and open it, and we'll get an alarm. So here we go. I don't like to leave that horn sounding for too long because it is actually very loud. So now that the pull station is reset, we'll go ahead and reset the whole system. And got some weird characters on the LCD there, but there it is. So that is the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and to check out the links in my description. Thank you and have a great day.